So in order to use the rivet gun, you need to make sure you have the right end for it, the one that is the right size. All of our rivets are much larger than what I see here, so I'm going to place the largest one here. All I need to do is remove it. I'm going to just loosen them enough to where I can now hand remove them. I'm going to take the one that was at the end and place it in the handle, and the one that was in the handle I'm going to place on the end for use. Hand tighten just far enough, and then I'm going to use my pliers again to tighten them the rest of the way. Shouldn't be much, just enough so that they don't fall out. Now I have the largest rivet option for the rivets that we use. So in order to use the rivet gun to start, I'm going to have to open it up. For all rivet guns, it's pretty easy to use. You're going to open the door just enough to see. Take your pieces, make sure everything aligns where it will need to go, otherwise you'll have to drill new holes. And then the first thing I'm going to do is take one of these rivets, place it in the gun while the handle is open. I'm going to place it into, I'm going to start with the top here, the top hole of this component, set it, and now keeping the rivet gun straight at a 90 to that point, I'm going to start tightening the rivet gun. Sometimes it takes multiple tries to get it to release, so I open and close until I feel that piece snap off. Now you see how it's smooth and no longer has the end? It is here in the gun, which I will remove and secure to throw away later. And you're going to continue this process to get each of these done. If I need to adjust and drill new holes, I will. But again, I'm going to take my rivet while the gun is open, set it, place it into the hole. It's not going to fit, so I am going to drill it out. Simply good. So I can place in, and then same thing. Nice 90, open, close, open, press, close, open, close. And we keep doing it until the pin can be removed.